I'm Anthony Robinson. I'm a lead faculty for GIS programs at Penn State. I work in our online education portfolio for geospatial programs. We offer a GeoIntel certificate, a master's degree in GIS, and a suite of other professional development courses, for example. People can take one at a time with us. And what we do is we deliver what we think is the most exceptional online geospatial education at a distance, completely online, completely asynchronous for the professional who's looking to extend their education. We're really excited about 2013 bringing on a new set of options for our students, including a new schedule. So we're going to offer, instead of 4 terms a year, we'll be going to 5 terms a year to provide more flexibility for people who want flexibility for when they take classes, and also a faster time to degree for people who wanted to get things done faster. So now it'll be possible to finish your GIS certificate in less than a year and to finish a master's degree in roughly 2 years. The other thing we're thinking about in terms of options are new courses for professionals, and that includes new classes in geospatial intelligence, and we're the only school that's offering classes in geospatial intelligence online right now. We'll be offering a new course in UAS systems in the fall. We're offering new classes for the geospatial developer too. We're really focusing a lot on people who do software development in the geospatial realm. And we've just launched this past winter a new course in cloud and server GIS, and we just launched another course this summer on spatial database development, including Postgres and ArcSDE, so a little higher end database component. So we're really focused on what we can do to sort of expand the diversity of range of things we're doing for all kinds of geospatial professionals. In addition to that kind of advanced stuff, we do still offer a lot of core fundamental courses for people who are aspiring GIS professionals, and that's a big audience, and an increasingly large audience for us, are people who are hearing about geospatial stuff and maybe have a degree in the IT industry or something like that and want to pivot into a geospatial career. So we're really still focused on that audience as well. Our students tend to be professionals, mid-career folks, between 5 and 10 years into their career. What they're doing, for a large part, is either getting a credential they never had in the first place. A lot of geospatial professionals never went to school for geography, for example, or GIS. And those that did it long enough ago in many cases that a lot of the things they learned at that time in terms of technology and applications are just completely out of date. So that remains a very large core audience for us. We are seeing a burgeoning population of younger folks who understand and are learning about these devices they use all the time that are geospatially enabled. And so we're going to be reacting in the future, I think, to a steadily younger audience that's also desiring to learn about, understand geospatial technology and applications. And many of these people are just out of undergrad right now and looking for jobs and maybe realizing that they need to work while they go back to school at the same time. And I think that's going to be a growing audience for us going forward. We're really looking forward to the coming year. I'm excited about, we're going to redesign a class we have in open web mapping to focus at least in part on mobile mapping. We have a mashups course currently we already offer, and a couple of other classes that we offer, and like the cloud and server class, for example, mesh pretty well with the idea of using the cloud for resources and mobile devices as an interface to those resources. So we're really focused on making sure we move quickly on some of those development-related electives to provide the geospatial professional with the very best sort of latest and greatest cutting-edge kind of stuff. I think that's the niche we have to occupy at a place like Penn State. So here at the Esri 2012 User Conference, our focus this week is on connecting with our current students, our alums, and looking at offering great options to prospective students. So this is the biggest meeting of the year for us in terms of marketing our programs and connecting with our students at a distance. So it's really exciting for us. We bring a lot of faculty to this meeting and have a booth at both the Academic GIS Program Fair, which we had last night, and then the rest of this week at the exhibit hall. And this is the chance that we really have to meet many of our students in person. So it's kind of a strange thing. You teach all these folks online at a distance, and we want to meet them as much as they want to meet us. And this week really provides a lot of that opportunity for us. We typically encounter on the order of 500 to 700 of our current or former students at this meeting alone. So it's a pretty unusual thing. This gathering is a little strange in that the industry is dominated by one partner, and that group really draws everybody in at one place every once a year. So this is a great opportunity for us to really connect with our students this week. So for folks who are interested in our programs, we have one unique thing at Penn State is that we offer about 24 or 25 of our 30 plus classes as open educational resources. And if you go to, if you search for open educational resources at Penn State, you'll find a page that lists all of our classes and how to access those classes. And these classes include our programming for Python for our GIS course, where the content itself is absolutely free. So we are the only option that I'm aware of online that actually provides access to content for free So you can really try before you buy in a lot of cases, or at least see what we do or how we do it. And that's important for us in terms of outreach as well. We're really interested in educating more people online. That's what the purpose of doing something like that at Penn State is. It's not about making money or having a greater alumni pool, but it's really about reaching out beyond where we could actually draw people locally. So a lot of people aspire to a higher education, but they can't necessarily afford it too. And this is what we're kind of speaking to there with the open educational resources.